Namaskar friends, welcome to Export Import Make in India campaign, and we are just completing the third session of the full supply chain management course, and chapter name is designing and planning of the transportation network. So today we will discuss the topic is designing option for the transportation network. Okay, so you need to understand how you can design the transportation network and what are the option for that. Okay, for example, in international supply chain management, if you receive any order from overseas, like you receive order from the London, okay, of the 10 containers, okay, 10 IQ containers. So you need to design the network for transportation. So what you will do? You need to understand the movement of transportation's locations first. Okay, so you need to prepare the graph, that picking point, then custom clearance point, then port of loading point, port of discharge point, and the destination, final destination point. So you need to check out the way and try to find out the short way. Okay, and also you need to check out the options for the mode of transport. So first, as per order, you need to deliver this goods. So what you will do? First, you need to arrange the transport from factory to the ICD. So in this transport, you have no option. Only the by road you can transport these goods. So you have to use the pre-carrier through the by road. Okay, then after that, after custom clearance, you need to check out, should I move this good route by train or by road? So you need to analyze the cost of both mode and check out which is the best. Okay, so in this option, not only we need to check out the uh, low cost for the shipment, but also need to check out the service level. Okay, just like for example, by truck you are moving this good from ICD to seaport, 50,000. Okay, and in by rail, for example, it is 60,000. So here you are checking that the road transport is cheapest, 10,000 than rail. Okay, so but there is another problem, which is service level. So in truck movements from one location to another, the goods can be damaged. It's depend on the road, what kind of road is good or not. So in such case, we need to move goods from the by rail, because the goods are safe through by rail mode. Okay, so these are also need to check out the service and cost by using the options. Okay, these are the containers. For example, we understand this example to seaboard. Okay, in high volume shipment. And for example, you also have another shipments which is only 3 metric ton. Okay, 3 metric ton volumetric weight is 3 metric ton. So you need to check out options. Should I export this good through the by air or LCL shipment? Okay, for your knowledge, the LCL shipment is the small shipment can be transported through the by sea at cheapest price. Okay, but time taken is high. So you need to understand the urgency of cargo, where buyer need immediately this shipment, then you need to export through the by air. If buyer saying that uh, you can deliver this shipment in 1 or 2 months, then you can use CLCL shipment. Okay, so these things need to be analysis while designing the transportation network. This is the international transport in supply chain, but in domestic level, you also need to arrange the transportation network. So for that, you need to check out better options. Okay, for example, you are assigned the duty of distributions in UP locations. Okay, So any product, for example, milk, you need to distribute milk into UP, entire UP. Okay, so what kind of transport network you need to prepare? Okay, so for that, you have to check out the big cities where you can arrange the distributor center. Okay, and one distributor center in the one city, then you can also arrange the retailer. Okay, so they can distribute their different location. Like in UP, we can say, for example, in Lucknow, there is a one uh, wholesaler. Okay, and under this wholesaler, there are 95 distributor. Okay, so this transportation of network need to arrange in such way that can be order fulfilled and lead time of order and delivery is take minimum time. Okay, so in most cases, truck and road freight provided most flexible mean of distributions of finished good. Okay, so mostly truck and uh, trucking freight is very commonly used for the distribution. Okay, retailer locations. Okay, the supply chain utilize several mode of transportation at various stage of supply chain. Okay, but the supply chain can be used the various type of transportation. Traditionally, marine transport has been the backbone of the international trade. By sea is the backbone. Okay, mainly we can say 90% of the cargo move through the by sea. It remained major mode of transport when supply chain extend overseas. Okay, in case of overseas means the international business, this is a major mode of transport. Okay, in recent year there has been tremendous growth in air freight and the product with short fail lives and high value are increasingly moved by air. So in recent year, the shipment mostly shipment done through the air also. So the there is a tremendous growth have been seen in the air mode of transport also. One supply chain which is very much dependent on the time. Okay, definite freight service and high tech industries. So you need to understand supply chain is very much depend on the time definite air freight service. Is the high technology industry, the use of quick and reliable service. Okay, anybody want to use quick and reliable service, like now you can see the e-commerce website Flipkart and other Amazon and all the online shopping, so you can check out the delivery time instantly, 1 hour, 1 day, 7 day. Okay, so you will check out whether option which is providing product so quick and shortest time of period taken by the lead time. So people use that kind of transport. So quick service is very important point in the designing of transport. Okay. Now time definite service is the opposed to long sea voyage should be readily apparent when focused modern supply chain is considered. Okay, and where is each model has been specified the cost, service, and attribute. The use of any particular combination of important is important on the term of contract between supplier and firm transportation. Okay, so when we all kind of transportations and mode of service attribute is totally depend on the terms between exporter and importer. We can say manufacturer or consumer. Okay, we can say retailer or distributor. Okay, so they will decide first that what kind of mode of transport should be used. The question related transport supplies are what are the transportation options and which one to select on what basis. This question is for you. So please check, prepare question and comments. Okay. So guys, today we have tried to understand the designing option for the transportation network, which is under chapter 3, designing and planning of the transportation network. So we are just completing the full supply chain management course. So guys, thanks for watching the session. Have a nice day.